27 I've both the victim and the suspect here on 3rd Street, just.
1FA34, be advised, Mary Queen 27 is code 6 with the suspect and the victim. Just west.
21, 3 William 172, no warrant or warrant.
21, Roger, thank you. 2 Adam 21, you just cancel 2 Adam 18 on the unknown trouble. It's going to be a business dispute.
2 we're verifying the ADW suspect, New Hampshire Avenue.
2 Adam 21, I said 2 Adam 18 on the unknown trouble on Wilshire. We're handling this. It's going to be a business dispute.
218, cancel incident 2084, 2821 is code 6 in Allen.
Adam 18, Roger, thank you. FD44, is there an ETA on our request?
29 clear.
Yeah.
7071, FD is with the victim. He is now disconnected.
Roger, we're going to be doing code 6.
71, Roger.
109, do you have 1A1 come to the station or inside the station?
Roger. Can you raise 4TL47 and have it called the station?
4TL47.
2014-19, can you direct 13TL57 to respond to the rector set behind CAB and handle CPITC, please?
CCL57, did you receive? CCL57, 15CL57, come in.
I'm fine, where? CPITC at the parking structure behind CAB, meet the lieutenant at that location. Miles of 2072, transport a female.
37, Roger.
2029, goes on a traffic stop on its body, 20th Street on 14, X-ray Young, 228.
2029. Repeat your location for 14 X-ray Young 228. 2029, repeat your location. 2029, 1829, come in.
2029, go ahead.
2029, repeat your location.
Hollywood Unit 6871, 6871, unknown trouble, pay phone open at 1159, 2169,
2029, traffic stop, 20th, 14, X-ray Young 228.
John Lincoln 5 and 7, we're clear for jail division, now out to Rampart Detective.
JL 5 and 7, Roger.
Detail 57, Roger. We'll show you en route to the rear of PAB. 24 Mary Queen 32, 24 Mary Queen 32, are you clear? 24 Mary Queen 32, 24 Mary Queen 32, are you clear?
2014-90, show Mary Queen 32 out to CPD.
2014-90, Roger.
And 2014-90, advise 13TL57, his PR will be at the guard shack at the rear of PAB.
TL 57, did you receive?
Berkeley 25, clear.
Hi, clear. Hi, it's Captain Watts, 6 Charles 77058, vehicle recovery to owner. SC44, 1 SC44, are you clear?
SC44, Roger, thank you. We're back on our footing from between 3rd and 7th, please.
SC44, clear. Correction, 1 SC44, Roger.